What's up, everybody? I'm here off the banks of the New River Gorge here. It's getting a little dark and it gave me an idea. I want to show you all what I use for a headlamp. I had found this company online not too long ago. I picked up a 2-pack of these. This is an LED style headlamp. I'm going to show you all how this thing works. This is by far the best headlamp I had found for paddling to keep in a bag. A normal headlight has a spot. Check these things out. So check that out. It's got a red light in the back. It's got 3 modes on it. Drops down from 1000 luma to 500 lumens. However you say that. You guys tell me how I'm supposed to say that. Lumas. And it has a battery indicator light, and then it goes to a strobe mode. It also, another cool thing, it comes with a little bag of clips for clipping onto a helmet. So you can clip this onto a kayak helmet. Yeah, I'm going to use this thing here in a minute. It's starting to get a little dark out, and I'll show you guys how well this thing lights up. It's pretty much indestructible too. It's just an LED strip. It's not completely waterproof, but it is water resistant. So you can keep it in a dry bag, but I would kayak a river with this. I would paddle out fishing or kayak a river with this. I'll put some specs up on this screen right now for you guys to check out. And I'll also leave a link in the description below on where you can pick these up. I love it that it's an LED strip. See that? I've dropped it like 3 or 4 times and the thing is pretty much indestructible. It's got about 4 to 5 hours of usage. I have used it. I've went for runs with it at night. I've carried my boat around. What I like about this one, it doesn't light in a spot beam. It's got 230 degree for lighting up. Some people are probably going to get mad at you because it's too bright. But when you're out walking, if I'm having to hike in the woods and hike my boat out of a run, or I get stuck out on the river and I have to paddle in the dark, I want to be able to light up the whole river. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. I will leave a link in the description on where you can pick a set of these up. That's pretty much it. That's all I got on the Hokolite 1000 lumina LED strip. Look at that. Ain't that cool?